Do you often feel bloated or uncomfortable after meals? Struggling with restless nights, tossing and turning, from overthinking, only to wake up feeling drained and exhausted the next day? Well, nature has powerful herbal solutions created for you. In today's episode, we'll explore 4 incredible herbs to ease digestion, calm your nerves, boost energy, and enhance immunity. Let's discover how to heal naturally. Welcome to Bimaristan Channel, your health and beauty resort. Let's start with better digestion. If you feel bloated or uncomfortable after a meal, peppermint is your new best friend. Known for its soothing properties, peppermint tea works wonders for relieving bloating and indigestion. Simply steep a few fresh leaves in hot water and you're good to go. Pro tip: add fennel seeds for a stronger blend, but if you suffer from GERD or acid reflux, peppermint is not your best choice. Consider chamomile tea as an alternative, and we'll provide more detailed and in-depth episodes for digestive system issues like constipation, IBS, GERD, stomach ulcers, and more. These playlists will address symptoms, causes, appropriate diet, and natural remedies, so stay tuned and hit the notification bell. Next, let's talk about relaxing and improving sleep. Chamomile is a calming herb that has been used for centuries to help people relax. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime can help you sleep calmly and deeply. Bonus tip: add lavender to your bedtime routine as an essential oil with the diffuser, or blend the edible one into your tea for a more soothing experience. Now for energy seekers, ginseng is an incredible adaptogen herb that balances your hormones, fights fatigue, boosts your energy, and sharpens your focus and mental health. Sip on ginseng tea or add powdered ginseng to your smoothies for a refreshing energy kick. Note that ginseng increases blood flow and circulation, so if you have high blood pressure or are sensitive to stimulants, it's best to consult your doctor before using ginseng. Want a gentler option? Try maca root for natural vitality. Now, let's strengthen our immunity. Echinacea is a popular herb for fighting off colds and boosting your immune system. It's best consumed as a tea or in supplement form. Aim for 1 to 2 cups of echinacea tea daily, especially during cold seasons. However, limit use to 2 weeks at a time to avoid reducing its effectiveness. Take a break for 1 week before resuming use. Now, these herbs are easy to use, packed with health benefits, and bring you closer to a natural way of healing. Which one are you excited to try? Drop a comment and let us know. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets for better health.